Welcome to Repriced Solutions Bulk Upload Tutorial. In this tutorial, you will explore about repricing via file upload. With this file uploading feature, you can bulk upload, min, and max value of each SKU, desired bidding rule, as well as you can update the status of each SKU. So, to start with bulk upload, kindly sign in to your Repriced Solution account. Now, click on Manage Products, then select your desired marketplace. Click on Bulk Upload tab, then select the best option, and click on Download to download the template. Now, input your min and max values, desired rule, and status of the SKU. Note, your min value should always be less than your max value, and the rule name should be the same as you created in the repricing rules section. After you have completed your file, then click on Upload File, choose your updated file, and click on Upload File. That's it, you have successfully uploaded your file. To check the status of your uploaded file, click on Feed Status. For more details or troubleshooting your file upload, contact us at service@repricedsolution.com.